Hi everyone, welcome back in my another video. Pankaj here. So we are creating new application after a long time. Okay, so we are created a IMS invoice management system application which will handle vendor payments and client payments and company expenses and everything related to payments. Okay, so this application work with an three database. Okay, where we are managing our application roles and screen access role. Okay, these are screen access role. Okay, and these are the user have these role and user have these role. Okay, based on the role, and the our data is stored in the IMS invoice manage, and this is the flow notification manage. Okay, so which one notification we need to on, which one notification we need to off. Okay, so this is application first interface. Let me log in. And okay, so here is two option for login. Let me refresh it. So you can log in your application with the user ID and password. Okay, so this is user ID. Okay, and this is password. Okay, so let me, I think, so you can check now. Here is user ID option, here is password option. If you type your user ID, okay, so it's automatically fetch your login details. Your role is admin. Okay, so let me type here my user ID. If you type your user ID, it's automatically showing login as admin, and here is showing your name. Okay, so it's automatically fetch data from user logins. Okay, you can log in with the user ID and password, and you can log in with your Microsoft account. Okay, if you are login here with your Microsoft account, it will be work with this ID. Okay, let me show you this ID where we are mentioned this one. Okay, this ID and the login user ID match, then be able to log in this application, and we also able to log in with user ID and password. Here is option for reset password option. Okay, you can reset your password. Just you need to type your user ID and current password and new password and confirm password. Okay, and now the option for login. Okay, so once you log in your account, let me log in with Microsoft. So here is all access. I have able to access the all buttons. Okay, so how it's work? Okay, let me explain. So these are the buttons. I'm able to access the all buttons, and now you can check. I'm also able to the Power BI Dashboard in this application. So how you can disable it for the any user. Okay, so let me support. Let me suppose I have Power BI Dashboard. Okay, so you can disable it. Okay, just I need to remove. Just I need to remove sales dashboard and then done. Okay, so if you refresh log out and log in it again, so it's the sales dashboard is disabled for me. Okay, now I'm not able to edit this sales dashboard. I'm not able to access this sales dashboard, so it's work with these access. Okay, we are already created the all access like view payments, upload invoice, and user access, and notification manage, export report, download invoice, payment edit and delete option. Okay, we already created the all access. Now here is option, you able to view your all payment share. Okay, and you can filter your all payments by the this filter. Last 7 days, here is no payment. Last 15 days, if you select 1 year, you able to view few payments here. Okay, so now let me show you the view payments option first. Okay, so this is view payment option. If you click on the view payment, you able to view this dashboard. Okay, so here you can filter your payments, you can search also. If you select any payment, you able to upload it. Okay, this updated status automatically based on the payment status color change. Okay, if my payment is cancelled, it's showing red. If my payment is received, then it's showing green. Okay, here you can add and update the same thing, or you can export, or you can send on the mail also. You can click on the get support, you will get parts of support, or you can also add your mail ID link here. okay, in the development option. Okay, so you can submit also. Let me update this status as a payment cancelled. Okay, and submit it. Not received. Okay, and submit it. Once you submitted, it's automatically updated. Now if you click on this, okay, it is showing cancel. Okay, now the another option, go back, and again I need to visit here. Now here you able to view the few things. Okay, so this is a view invoice and edit mode enable based on these access. If you give edit option to payment, then user able to edit it. If you give the download invoice option, then user able to download the invoice also. Okay, so let me select any row. Okay, if I'm selected this one, which one I updated before 1 minute. Okay, so if I'm select the view invoice, so here is showing invoice not uploaded. If my invoice is uploaded, then I'm able to also download the invoice. Okay, or if I have also payment edit option, so let me remove the view invoice and payment edit option. It's automatically disabled for me. Let me remove it here. Upload invoice, download invoice I'm remove, and payment edit option also I'm remove. Okay, then I submitted it. Just I need to refresh or log out. After logout, it should automatically work. Okay, now you also able to view here. If I'm select anyone, if I'm click on this, here is showing you don't have access for download invoice, please connect with the admin. Okay, if you select this one, you don't have access for edit payments, please connect with the admin. Okay, so I'm not able to edit these things because I don't have access. Now another thing, if you select any row, it's automatically gallery size change. Okay, now my gallery size this one, I'm able to view all things here. If I'm hide it, automatically my gallery size is full. So everything gonna create based on the size, and keep in the mind everything. Okay, so I'm disable edit payment, so I'm not able to edit this one. Okay, if I have access for upload invoice, so I'm able to access it. Okay, this is upload invoice option. If you upload anything, now you can upload your all details here of invoice. Okay, so this is in upload invoice option. And let me show you the sales dashboard also. I need to give the access for sales dashboard. Let me allow the all things here. Sales dashboard, payment add-in, and download invoice. Okay, once it's updated, let me refresh it. It's updated. Now refresh, log out, and login again. Now it's updated. Okay, now let me open the sales dashboard. The sales dashboard automatically created live sheet from my SharePoint list. This is my invoice SharePoint list, and I'm using here the automated export to Power BI report as a live. So I'm export my report in Power BI, and I'm also present here my Power BI report. Now you can see how many invoices pending. The total $600 invoice is pending, and total invoice is received with 600 amount. Okay, now you can export this record in data as a Excel data. Okay, you can show as a table. Now you able to export this report in Excel and other things. Here is all things. Okay, how many invoices pending, how amount of and how many cancel, how many receive, everything is here in the Power BI dashboard. You can create as per your recording, and I am create auto Power BI report. Which one is automatic created? Okay, and here is export report option. So let me introduce the export report option. So this is the export report option. You need to select any payment. Okay, if you can here is option for view filter. Now you can apply the filter option here using this one. If you filter with any client name, you can filter, and if you want, just reset it. After clicking on reset filter, you can reset all filters, and here is option for get support. You can get support on your mail ID or WhatsApp. You can link your number or also your mail ID. I will give you the code of text. Okay, and this is send on mail option. Okay, if you click on this, then automatically receive the mail on your mail ID. Okay, which one you selected in the flow. So I have received the mail ID, and you can check here. This is the mail format, and here is all invoices detail, which one filter already in my database. Okay, you can select, if you select view in app, you are also able to open the application here, your PowerApps application here. For now you can check in the here. If you click on the get support, you also navigate on mail ID and the related to mail ID or WhatsApp group and anything, and what do you want. Okay, link here. Now the option for I think I need to go back. I forget to mention here back button. Okay, so here is payment edit option. Now you can select any payment or you can edit it. Okay, once you selected your payment, here is able to download invoice also. If I'm selected this one and click this one, I'm here showing invoice not uploaded. If I'm select this one, the invoice. Okay, so now you can go back. Here is option for user access and notification management. So now you can manage your all users here from here. Okay, this is user management. Now you can change the role, you can access, you can, if you click on edit, you also able to give the access of all things. Okay, from here I want to give this is screen access, I want to give upload invoice access, so you can give the access from here. Okay, and this is the admin role. Okay, if you change the admin role like a user or admin, you can change it. Okay, and application access, both are similar, same, just you need to select, you can change the application access. And I don't want to give the sales dashboard access to Pankaj, so I can just unselect and submit it. Okay, and notification setting. Okay, so what is the notification setting? If you select here is only 3 in notifications we created already: the invoice added, okay, the payment received, and the report sent on mail. If I'm activate status, I'm set the status as a stop, so user cannot export the invoice summary on mail. So this is stop, but just you need to change from here on or stop. Okay, if you change it stop, then user not able to export the all invoices by mail. Okay, and this is payment receive. Let me explain the payment receive or invoice added option. Just you need to change the status. Okay, so after that user not able to export or receive the any mails. Okay, so now how you can manage it? Let me upload one invoice. So this is invoice upload option. So I'm added here invoice number, and you can change it. I'm added my company name, and I'm added here invoice date is today, and due date also I'm added to 25, and total amount I'm mentioned here 200. I'm added here sample amount, and status just I'm updated the in process. Okay, and you can upload also attachment and then submit it. Once you submitted it, then you will receive automatic mail. Just wait a minute for the mail. We have received the mail. This is IMS alert mail, invoice management system alert. Okay, new invoice record added. So this is new invoice record added mail. Okay, so here is showing all details, the client name, invoice number, status in process, okay, and everything here is showing, and uploaded by Pankaj, and mail ID, action required, view invoice or download invoice, view in app, and need any help. So you can use the action buttons also. Okay, now let me change the invoice status also. So I'm go to view payments, I'm selected this one, I'm updated it as a payment received, I'm submitted it. Once I submitted, then I automatic receive the mail notification, we have received this payment. Okay, for now I have created only both flow. I think for now I am created only 3 flow: the invoice added, payment received, and report sent on mail. And other template I will share with you, the payment received, payment decline, and other one email templates I will share with you. I have 50 plus email templates, and which one professionally help you in the notification, for the notification. So I have received the payment receive update. Okay, so we have received the payment, and this is the update, updated by name here, and notes payment has been received and verified successfully. Okay, and here is showing the client name, invoice number, and received status and paid date also, and the payment and payment invoice for. Here is showing everything. You able to also download the invoice, and you also able to view in the app. So this is our IMS application. Now you can change field in your data set. Okay, so I'm added here client name, you can change it vendor name or other my expenses, just you can change it as per your requirement. Okay, you can modify according to you. This is only a simple basic application where you can control every buttons. Okay, where you can control all access for user, or you can export the report, you will get notification also. So all notification I will share with you also 2-3 templates with you as a free. Okay, invoice added, invoice payment received, in process, payment decline, and other also email templates. So you can create your another one, or you can use this application. If you need any help, just contact me on WhatsApp or my mail ID, and I will help you in this. Okay, so thank you so much. If you need any help, please reach out to me. Thank you so much, and please like, share, and subscribe my video.